In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can watch Netflix from other countries, and I'm going to show you how you can do it on your Android phone, so make sure you leave a like if this video does help you out. Also, subscribe to the channel because I've got more tutorials like these, and we'll just jump into the video. So if you're using the Netflix app on your Android phone, or even if you're using it on your iPhone, and there isn't actually a setting for us to change inside of Netflix for us to change countries. So what we've essentially got to do is full Netflix. Now, it's honestly not hard, it's not complicated whatsoever, and I'll show you what you need to do right now. So there's no setting inside of Netflix. What we actually need to do is download a program called a VPN, and that's going to allow us to change our location. Once our location is changed, with a click of a button, we can then watch movies from different countries on Netflix. So I'm going to search right now for The Wicker Man, and The Wicker Man is only available in the US. So we'll search for The Wicker Man, and I'll show you that it doesn't show up here on my Netflix, so you can see it's not there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up a program called ExpressVPN, and I'll leave a link in the description to ExpressVPN if you want to check it out. But what it is, it's a VPN, and it allows you to change your location. It's got different benefits as well, like keeping you secure, keeping you anonymous, hiding all of your internet traffic from your ISP. But mainly what we're going to be focusing on is the option to change our location. So right now mine's set to change it to the US, but you can change it to different countries inside the menu. I'm going to change it to USA though, the Los Angeles server, and it's then going to connect to the USA server. So now we're connected to Los Angeles, USA. We can now basically close out of Netflix. Then we'll just go and reopen Netflix. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in the same thing like as last time. I'm going to type in Wicker Man, so we'll just go to search. We will go Wicker Man. And you can see the Wicker Man has now shown up because Netflix thinks that we're on the US Netflix. So you can go and check out ExpressVPN. I'll leave a link in the description below. They have really reasonable prices. You can pay for a month, you can pay for a year, you can pay for 6 months. Just go and check it out. They even have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can watch all the Netflix from different countries in around 29 days and then just get your money back anyway. So if you want to go and check it out, again, in the description. I hope that video helped you out, guys. If it did, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.